Today's high protein dinner, chole chickpeas curry is done. My Indian friends are very much aware of it because in India this is our wholesome meal. Very means it's a very regular meal. We make chickpeas curry like almost in a week. Blend it with rice, any grains of your choice like rice, white rice, brown rice, chapati, bread, kulche, bhature, or why not Arabic khubuz? You can try in chickpeas chaat also. Just take some of them and put some turmeric sauce and onions and some veggies and curd, and this is going to be your chickpeas chaat. Hello everyone, how you all are doing? Welcome back to my channel, my another kitchen vlog. Guys, this is moringa leaves which I just have tore from my moringa plants, and this is very good. Today I'm going to use it for my recipe. And what is in today's menu? Let me tell you, it's very popular North Indian recipe, actually North Indian curry, Indian style chole, or better to say Punjabi style chickpeas curry or chole. So this is my boiled chickpeas which I have boiled at pre-hand to make it quick and instant recipe for you all guys. So this is boiled chickpeas, boiled well in the cooker. What you need to do is just wash your chickpeas, put it in pressure cooker and give it a boil for 30 minutes, and this will be ready for your chickpeas curry. In this pot I'll make gravy, and you know guys, chole is very much complemented with rice, which we say chole chawal, or you must have heard. For all my Indian friends know it very well, but for my non-Indian friends, I'm sure they are also very much aware of it. But for those who are not aware of chole chawal, chole kulche or chole bhature, just Google it, and you know, I'm sure you will thank me for this very quick instant chole curry. It will not take much time. I know you all are very busy people. You all are very busy in multiple things. And let me tell you, in my channel, I'm going to share all the tips which will really make your cooking very quick, instant, tasty, delicious and nutritious in all those busy days, because after all the days work, we are back at home and we need to prepare food for us, for our family. So today I'm back with another high protein recipe, because you know chickpeas is also very good in protein index of chickpeas is also very good. It's not going to take much time, because you know I shared with you all in my last video that we will prepare some basic things in our free time in the weekends, and with those basic things which we have already prepared, our weekdays recipe is going to be quick without much hassle. So this is roasted garlic paste which is made at home. It is roasted, or you can say fried with very little oil in the air fryer. You can use air fryer or any kind of pot to just roast garlic, make paste of it and put it in the refrigerator, and so with the onion. So storing onion for a week will really going to help in the weekdays food preparation. So if we need to prepare food in 15 to 20 minutes or hardly 30 minutes, this is going to be a great help. I have just shared with you that using moringa leaves on the daily basis is need of the time. The recipe for chickpeas curry, or better to say Punjabi style chole, the key ingredients are boiled chickpeas, garlic paste, onion paste, tomatoes, moringa leaves, coriander leaves and some spices. So let's quickly begin. So first of all, this is boiled chickpeas. What I'm going to do is, this is my multi-fryer pan, and here I will put my chickpeas into this pan. Less than half a spatula of mustard oil, half a spoon of Himalayan salt. Toss it well and put it in the multi-fryer or air fryer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make our curry. So pot is hot. At this point, I will drop little bit of mustard oil, put some cumin, small bay leaves, tej patta, one dried chili. If this is available, if these spices are available, you can put it or you can skip it. So these are required for the aroma and taste. This is spice mace. In Hindi we call it Javitri. Little bit of spice mace you can put it here. This is star anise. You can put one star anise, one black cardamom, two green cardamom. Just crack it and throw it in the oil. So every day, if we are not in the mood of too much chopping, this blending is a good option. Here we need tomatoes. I will blend it, and here I will put these moringa leaves in this tomatoes. I will blend all these moringa leaves together with tomatoes. So here, big piece of tomatoes are left. Do not mind it because this will look good also, and these are all going to melt. So meanwhile, after like 10 minutes, you can stir this chickpeas, make it up and down so that these can be roasted evenly. And guys, in this tomatoes, we will put our spices. 1.5 spoon of turmeric. This is half a spoon of paprika. We will use this coriander powder little more because this is Indian recipe, so it has to be spicy. 3 spoon of coriander powder. 2 spoon of this is Kitchen King. If you have chole masala, you can use that also. But in chole masala also, that is roasted coriander powder only, blended with some more garam masala or herbs. So if we have taken coriander powder, that is good enough. 1 spoon of cumin powder, little bit of black pepper powder, 2 full spoon of garam masala powder, 2 spoon of Himalayan salt. Mix them well. Till this gravy is going on, let's quickly make our rice. So for rice, which I will make in microwave, with this measuring cup I have taken 3 cups. So water I will take for 3 cups. For 1 cup, 1.5 cup of water is okay. So for 3 cup, 4.5 cup of water is good. 4.5. Little bit of olive oil, half a spoon of Himalayan salt. And guys, do try this. This is a spice mace. In Hindi we call it Javitri. This is very aromatic. Fragrance is mind-blowing. So just break it really well with hand and put in your rice, and you will get surprised that your rice will become really very aromatic. This aroma will kill you. So do try it and tell me, was this, you liked it or not? Stir it well and give it to microwave for 2 rounds. I mean, this will take 20 minutes. So fix it for 10 minutes, stir it well, make it up and down, and then fix it for another 10 minutes. This is done. This is done. It has been roasted quite well. And let me check my gravy. My gravy is also going good. It will take hardly another 2-3 minutes. This spices has been roasted well. So at this point, I'll put a little bit of water. So this is my roasted garlic paste and roasted onion paste. 1 spoon of this garlic paste and 2 spoon of this onion paste. This is dried mango powder. In India we call it amchur. Chickpeas curry chole is all about little bit of sourness. 1 spoon of dried mango powder. My gravy is ready. Drop your roasted chickpeas into this curry. They both are going good. Just look at them. Close the lid and wait for a boil to come. Meanwhile this is getting a boil, let's take some more herbs. This is coriander leaves. I have dipped in the water so that these leaves get really, fresh and tighten up. I mean, when it will get really crunchy. If you like the taste of parsley, you can try that parsley also. But in India, coriander leaves is very popular. Again, I will need some ginger slices, very thin ginger slices, one green chili, if you do not mind green chili. So I have just split it, some onion rings, so thin onion rings, just separate them. Yeah, this is done. See, if you can see, this is what we call Indian chole. Spicy and tangy. You can use it in multiple ways. This is a smaller cup of yogurt. I will drop it here and mix it well. Chickpeas curry with yogurt is amazing. It tastes superb. Time to serve it. Little bit of more curd, some onion rings, little bit of coriander, long and thin ginger, and if you do not mind green chili, why not a green chili, cumin powder, paprika. Let's see our rice. Wow, very nice, hot and fluffy, aromatic white rice, flavored with spice base Javitri. This is supreme. And this is aromatic white rice, complemented well with delicious and nutritious Indian style chickpeas curry chole chawal. So here is your chole chawal for today's dinner. I hope you liked the recipe, and if you like the recipe, do comment, and see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.